Gagawa tayo ng masarap na potato salad. Pinakuluan ko na po yan kanina. Tapos tinanggal ko yung ibang balat. Pinilatan natin. Ito ay onion. Combine lang natin. And this is basil. Chopped basil. This is a combination of garlic powder, black pepper, and iodized salt. Combine. And then mix. Then, add the mayonnaise. Yan ang magpapasarap ng ating potato salad. The mayonnaise. So creamy, and so yummy. And then mix. Tada! Sarap. Ang bango nung basil. And then, it's done. As simple as that, meron na tayong masarap na potato salad. Then, top with chopped onions. It's done. This is our lunch for today. The yummy potato salad and fried chicken. Let's eat, guys.